I think that while in the short to medium term, of course, there is some uncertainty and people are trying to figure out what to do and what's going to happen, I think that in the medium to long term, it's a very positive step. I fully support this. I think the government has taken a very bold move by doing this.
You mostly are into luxury projects. You have a new project, Saltset 27, that's coming up in Baikala. Then there is Peninsula Heights in Bangalore. How do you think demonetization is going to impact the luxury segment on the whole?
See, I think that the biggest impact on demonetization is going to be more on the secondary market. I think that's where a lot of transactions happen where demonetization has an impact. But I think that for us, I think that for both Saltset and for Peninsula Heights, while yes, initially there has been a short-term kind of drop-off in the demand, we expect that to rebound once people understand that the prices in these projects are not going to decrease. And I think that we will hold the prices at the levels that we are right now.
Builders need to make cash payments. How is the cash crunch affecting these sort of issues at this point?
See, I think that, like I said, as far as we are concerned, a lot of things that we do are through consultants. So again, we operate on a check-based system, so it doesn't affect us. But yes, small things like contractors, your subcontractors, a payment to laborers, etc. These are affecting you in the short term, definitely. So we have seen in some sites, a drop-off in the number of labor on site because contractors aren't able to pay them because they don't have the cash at hand. So I think that these are some of the teething issues that we have to go through, which is why I think that really for the next couple of quarters, it's really a wait and watch situation. We will continue to execute our projects to the best of our ability and as far as we can, and then we'll have to kind of wait and see. So I think that I don't have any definitive answers right now because it's still very, very early on, but I do think that overall it's a positive step, and companies like Peninsula are well placed to take advantage of this situation going forward.
How will this move affect new launches on the whole?
Yes, I mean, in fact, as far as timing is concerned, we had to kind of pull back a little bit. Although we went ahead, obviously, with the Saltset launch, we were very committed to it, and we put a lot of time and effort and energy into that. And I think the launch has been very well appreciated. I think, obviously, sales will follow, but the appreciation and the interest that the launch has created, we're pretty happy with at this point of time.
You can watch live TV on our website, mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Magicbricks Now. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magicbricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magicbricks Now.